run flawlessly for us. Okay, let's begin. First, you'll need to download and install two programs. One is Loot. Loot replaces
A sequência de montagem
Boss.
inicial
Boss
é a
is what we use to
seguinte.
sort the mods with. Loot replaces Boss. So,
Pode-se colocar essas duas laterais, porém prende-se primeiro aqui antes de parafusar, para ela poder manter a folga correta. Após, retira, e aqui vai entrar primeiro essa aqui. Primeiro essa.
And install it. The way you install it is you go to your Fallout 3 folder. You will take the download of Fallout 3 Edit. You'll take this entire thing you see here, and you'll just drag it into the folder with the exe file. And that's all you have to do, and it's installed. And the Loot has an installer, you'll install it, and then